Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are diving into exciting worlds of internal forces shaping our planet. From the faulting to volcanism, this process plays a huge role in how the Earth's surface changes. So let's get started. First up, let's talk about faulting. Have you ever wondered why there are cracks in the Earth's surface? Well, those cracks are known as faults. Faulting happens when movements within the Earth's crust cause cracks or fractures. This can occur due to two main types of forces, lateral or vertical. Let's break down. Tensional forces cause a normal fault where a crust stretches and the land moves down. Compressional forces lead to the reverse fault where the land is pushed up. Some of the major features that form because of faulting include rift valleys and block mountain, which we'll talk about next. Now let's take a look at rift valleys. Rift Valley is a long, linear lowland area that forms between mountain ranges created by a geologic rift or faults. Picture this: two parallel faults occur and the land between sink down, forming a valley. The largest rift valley in the world is the East African Rift Valley. It extends from Syria to Mozambique, passing through the Red Sea, Eritrea, Ethiopia, Kenya, Tanzania, Democratic Republic of Congo, Rwanda, and Burundi. The total length of the East African Rift Valley is about 7,200 kilometers, of which 5,600 kilometers is in Africa. The Ethiopian Rift Valley is a part of East African Rift Valley. It extends from northeast to southwest. And guess what? It is a home to active volcanoes, lakes, hot springs, and even fumaroles. But that is not all. When the land between the two faults is pushed upward, we get block mountains. If there are two parallel faults, the crustal block between them may either rise to produce a host or block mountain or fall to produce rift valley. Example of block mountain. Think of Sierra Nevada mountains in North America or the Harz mountains in Germany. The Afar Block Mountain in Ethiopia is another great example. Alright, now let's talk about volcanism, another powerful internal force. Volcanism occurs when a magma from beneath the Earth's crust forces its way to the surface, bringing along gases, water, vapor, and ash. This happens because the temperature inside the Earth is extremely high, causing rock to melt and turn into magma. When this magma reaches the surface, volcanic activity takes place. When a magma emerges onto the surface, it cools and hardens. It is then called lava. So, where does this magma come out? It can erupt through vents, small holes in the Earth's surface, or through fissures, which are long cracks. When a magma erupts from a vent, it forms a volcano, a cone-shaped mound. If it is erupt through fissure, we get a lava plateau or lava flow. Sometimes eruptions are so forceful that the tops of the volcano is blown off, leaving behind a giant caldera. This fill up with water, forming crater lakes. In Ethiopia, you will find the crater lakes like Zukwala, Wenchi, and Dundee. What even more cooler, if a new eruption happens inside a caldera, a small cone-shaped volcano can be formed. We call these caldera cones. Intrusive features. But wait, not all magma reaches the surface. Some of it cools and solidifies underground, creating a feature like basolis, lacolis, dikes, and seals. Basolis, the massive chunks of solidified magma, the largest underground features. Lacolis, the mushroom-shaped bodies of rock, smaller than basolis. Dikes, a vertical cracks filled with magma. Seals, the horizontal layers of solidified magma. Types of volcanoes. Let's move on the types of volcanoes. There are three main categories. First, active volcanoes. These erupt from time to time, like Ertale and Fentale Dubi. Second, dormant volcanoes. These haven't erupted in a while, but could erupt again, like Tatali and Dabahu. Third, tectonic volcanoes. These haven't erupted in a recorded history, like Mount Zukwala and Ras Dashin. Importance of volcanic eruptions. So, why are volcanic eruptions important? Well, they give us a glimpse into the Earth's interior, create a fertile soil that supports agriculture, provide hot springs which have a medical value, generate geothermal energy, help the formation and the concentration of minerals, and can even create a new land. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channels for more exciting content, and leave the comments below with your thoughts or questions. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.